The server is busy. Please try again later. If you're encountering this error, here's the solution I found. Disable both the Deepthink and Search options. It might sound simple, but trust me, this tweak makes all the difference. Once you disable these options, Deepseek runs perfectly, as you can see in the video. Now, I haven't discovered any other direct method to fix this error. However, if you're not comfortable disabling these options, you might try waiting for a few minutes or even a few hours, as the server could resolve the issue on its own. Many people suggest that clearing your cache will fix the error. Here's what actually happens when you do. Clearing the cache logs you out of Deepseek. When you log back in, you'll notice that Deepseek works again because both Deepthink and Search options are automatically disabled during the process. The catch is, if you re-enable these options, the error returns. Essentially, clearing the cache or logging out works only because it disables these features. So the takeaway is simple. If you want Deepseek to work without the error, just disable the Deepthink and Search options manually, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. If you found this tip helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick fixes and tech tips. Feel free to leave any questions or alternative solutions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.